Hi, welcome to this course. In this video series, I will walk you through step by step to complete lab practices. Consider this is as a support to lab practices so that you can give your best of learning during lab hours. In this, I will not teach you various commands. Instead, I will show you how to complete exercises using those commands. So let's begin. Now, one very important thing, how to follow along. I will provide you two drawing files in the descriptions. So one is named as workshop metric.dwg file and second is workshop underscore imperial.dwg file. If you are drawing metric parts, then use the metric files, and if you are working on imperial files, that is inch dimensions, then use the imperial drawing files. These files contain various dimension style, layers and layouts so that you can have a complete experience of making the drawings in laboratory hours.